If you're renting or live in an apartment, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you a renter-friendly hack to install a window privacy film. This is a great way to elevate the look of your home without sacrificing any privacy while maintaining any natural light you guys may have. So let's get started. Most apartments come with these ugly vertical blinds, which are actually really easy to uninstall. For the purpose of this video, I reinstalled one just to show you guys the process. All you need is a credit card to push up into the notch, pull straight down. As you can see, there's no breakage or damage, and that way you can put these blinds in storage until you're ready to move out. For this particular project, I used a total of 3 window films, and the third I had to cut to size to fit the exact dimensions of my window. This is the view from the outside of my apartment. As you can see, without the film, my apartment is essentially a fishbowl. This window has access to a whole lot of foot traffic from our neighbors and the public, so this film really provides us with all this privacy. I literally bought these films off Amazon, and it provides such a high quality finish. It literally looks like frosted glass without the budget. Super happy with it. So for the video, the materials you will need: paper towels, any glass cleaner, spray bottle of water, a straight edge, scissors or a cutting edge, and a rag to clean up any water spillage, and of course the films. To start the process, you really want to deep clean the window surface in which the film is going to cling to the window. Any dust, dirt, anything that's going to prevent it from sticking or adhering properly, get rid of that. I spent a long while cleaning this window to make sure there were no fingerprints, nothing. This window was clean. Don't make the mistake that I did and get any sort of moisture onto the paper as you peel the film away. You don't want any paper sticking. If you do, just get a wet sponge and gently rub away any paper from the film. I made this mistake on the first film that I installed, but I called their customer support and they really helped me troubleshoot, which is great. Now that your film is ready, set it aside. It's not sticky, but you don't want it getting dirty. And then set up your station by your rag so you can catch any water. And really, I say really, saturate your window. You want it wet. The water acts as your adhesive. There's no glue in this, so really take your time saturating your window, and then starting from the top, align your window, and then take your time to adjust, play around with it, make sure it's level and even. Now take your straight edge and really take your time to scrape out any water or air bubbles trapped in between. This part was a little bit more tedious, but if you have air bubbles or excess water, it's going to prevent the film from clinging correctly. And it's actually a lot of fun to do. I spent a good amount of time on this, checking the outside from the inside, making sure there are no bubbles. But yeah, scrape it all out until it's flush. Once you're done, prep the next area by wiping with the glass cleaner and let that dry. Again, I used a total of 3 films for this project, and the third I had to cut to size. And I actually had to go in and adjust the original placement of the first window film I installed off camera. All I did was take some water, pull it down a little, and do that. I went ahead and measured and cut my pieces of the third film, made sure everything fit perfectly, so the final installation went smoothly. Again, saturate your window, take your time placing your film so it aligns perfectly, and then scrape out excess water and air bubbles from your surface. And for the final section, I just repeated these exact same steps. This is all happening in the new apartment which me and my partner moved into. We have so many cool upcoming projects that we're going to be documenting and showing you guys. And I know I said I was going to bring you along for more of the moving process, but time really just snuck up on us, deadlines with our work schedules. It was just super busy, so I apologize for not documenting that further, but I promise this will be a continued series. So stick along if you want to see more transformations like these beautiful new windows that we have in our new rental space. This is what it looks like from the outside, completely finished, really elegant, and again, we get our privacy. It was such a great alternative from putting up blackout curtains because we still get to have all this gorgeous natural light in our apartment. Even our maintenance guy made a comment on how nice they looked and said how he wants to do it in his own unit, which is really cool because it was such a fun, easy project to do. Thank you for watching, and I hope you do because